Sakshi Lekhi, we've exposed two tapes that are clearly showing alleged Congress middlemen who are talking to the victim's family, not concerned about the distraught they are going through, and they're saying only speak if Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is here.
Because there's already a criminal investigation pending. Anybody who speaks and tries to influence the witnesses in this manner, a case should be registered immediately against them and taken to task and summon these people. Because they are trying to play with the law and order situation, playing with the sentiments of people who are enraged by this particular heinous crime, and putting pressure on the family of the victim itself amounts to a criminal act. So under these circumstances, I feel there are 2-3 things which I have noticed. DM's statement in Hindi has been played by certain channels, which is completely distorting it. That is also a criminal offense. Influencing a criminal investigation while a matter is under investigation for a heinous crime, that also is a criminal offense. And apart from the criminality of the entire episode, one has to see that these are vultures who are doing tourism on the victim's body, and this cannot be permitted under any law. The fact is, the law of the land does not permit even showing of the face or naming the victim. Under these circumstances, these people are doing the dirty politics. I remember the time when Nirbhaya's matter happened, and the present Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, was then the Gujarat Chief Minister, and he was in a press conference which was on a different subject altogether. This question was put to him, and he specifically said, "ये हमारी माताओं बहनों की इज्जत का प्रश्न है, इस पे राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए, बहुत सीरियस मैटर्स हैं और इनको सीरियसली लिया जाना चाहिए." I think everybody should show that kind of maturity to handle these situations, because these are very serious matters. We know women are unsafe in every part of the world, and including every part of the country where you get these kind of cases of rape and other heinous crimes. In this case, attempt to murder, and which subsequently resulted in death, also happened, which is no less heinous crime. Making it an issue of Dalit versus non-Dalit, as if women from upper caste get raped, they are any less betrayed by the society. Finding factors which should influence, it is all politically motivated. And I can give it to you in writing that all this is being done with a political motivation. Ask these people, where were they for past 12 days when 8 rapes have happened in Rajasthan? And every rape is a violation of human dignity of a woman. We are forgetting, we are just making a mockery of the system. Is this the way to handle administration? And these are the people who want to be in administrative posts. Do they deserve? Do they even deserve a vote of this country? Insensitive. Loud, I must use the word.
Absolutely, ma'am. This is not only criminally wrong, this is not only legally wrong, but then trying to play politics over a dead girl, trying to play politics with the emotions of a family which is already distorted, trying to tutor them to the void, because the audio clearly says, ma'am.
Misleading and tutoring a family. Is that right? Under which law? Under which law is that right? Why should a case not be registered against these fellows? And there should be I think the UP administration itself should move that we want a High Court supervised investigation. UP administration should do that. They have nothing to hide. They are only protecting the family. DM is only giving a right guidance that media will go away. You have to live here. Do not go on changing your statements. What wrong has he done? And so far as cremation, they have been taking the story right, left, and center versus a jeep kaati hai ladki ki, and we believed. I'm sorry, but I believed it because it was a fake news until I heard the statement by the girl. Then it was told cremate kar diya police walon ne, and then I see the video. The girl's family is cremating, and even if police advised them to cremate it at that hour, was that not right? Knowing the way these fellows are playing politics, is law and order not the responsibility of the administration? Should 10 more girls be molested during this kind of writing that they are about to do? They have created a law and order situation.
Absolutely.
After coming back from a holiday. This nonsense has to stop.